Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. Friends, in this video I am going to show you two steps how you can resolve the issue of KMODE exception not handled. For resolving this issue, you need to shut down your system 2 to 3 times. You need to forcefully shut down your system 2 to 3 times as soon as manufacturer logo appears, which is hard shutdown of your system. Then you will get the screen like automatic could not repair your PC or your PC did not start correctly. You need to click on advanced options. Then you will see screen like this. You need to click on troubleshoot here. Now you need to click on advanced options. These steps will be same for all Windows users like Windows 11, 10 and 8. Now you will see 6 options here. You need to click on startup setting. Then you will see options like this. You need to click on restart button here. Now you will see more options here. You need to press F4 on your keyboard or your laptop like this. For enabling safe mode, press F4. Now you need to enter your credentials here, login password. Now this is the screen of safe mode. You can see almost black screen, this one. Now press Window plus R button together like this and open run dialog box. You need to write msconfig like this and click on OK. Now you will see options like this. You need to go to services tab here, right here. Now you need to click on hide all Microsoft services. Click on that. This one, ELAN services. This one, ELAN services. Uncheck this one and hit on apply and then OK. And now you need to restart your system. Now we are going to perform one more step, so just ignore this one, close this. Now you need to follow second step. Right click on here, taskbar, and then click on task manager here. Then go to startup tab. Now if any software is enabled here, disable all the programs here like this. If you are using paid version of any antivirus program, you can disable that for the time being. Now disable all the programs here and let it boot with disabling all the softwares and all the background programs. Now close it and you need to normally start your system. Now your issue should be fixed. Hope your issue is fixed. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.